Dear students, very good afternoon. Today, 10 problems under ODE. Already we have discussed when RHS of ordinary differential equation. What kind of ordinary differential equations? Linear second order ordinary differential equation is equal to 0. That is if d square plus pd plus q equal to r, that is what we are having. It can be written as d square is, you will have I here, d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equal to r. These r may be either 0 or function of x. So we have already discussed what will be the solution of y. What will be the solution of y when the r equal to 0. So when r equal to 0, your solution is y equal to complementary function. Now we are going to see r equal to a function of x. R equal to a function of x. The function of x may be either e power ax or x power n. Third type is sin ax or cos ax, and fourth one is the combination along with e power x, that is e power ax into phi of x, e power ax into phi of x, where phi x may be this or this. Okay, so these are the cases that we are going to discuss one by one. So for each of the r, for each function of r, you will have different procedure. Suppose if I have d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q y equal to e power ax, means the first thing is I have to replace d by a. For what? To find particular integral. I am speaking about only particular integral. Already you know what to do for complementary function. Okay, so complementary function can be found from auxiliary equations, whereas the particular integral is having different procedures. The art of finding complementary function is common for all the problems, independent of whether the right hand side is 0 or exponential function or trigonometric function or combination of exponential function with any other function. The only thing differ here depending upon the type is particular integral. So when you are having e power ax, you have to replace d by a. You have to remember that. Okay, so this is the first type we are going to see. So for upcoming topics, I shall update you the procedure then and there. If I tell all at a stretch, you may forget. So I shall remind you the concept then and there. Now you have to remind. We have seen two concepts. When r is equal to 0, y equal to cf will be the solution. Okay, when you have r equal to e power ax, then you will have y equal to cf plus pi. Y equal to cf plus pi will be the solution. Okay, so now keep only these things in mind. Don't get confuse yourself. Okay, don't make yourself confused. So kindly watch the problem. Now we shall directly go to the problem. The first problem is find or solve d square minus 4d plus 13 of y equal to e power 2x. Okay, now they ask us to solve. Okay, if suppose they ask us to find the particular integral of the same problem, d square minus 4d plus 13 of y equal to e power 2x means, then it is not necessary to find CF. You can directly find PI. So only thing is you have to find PI, and what are things not necessary? CF is not necessary and the value of y is not necessary. So y is equal to CF plus PI will not arise since we have not find a CF, since they have asked us to find only the PI. So this may be asked in 2 marks for any problem. Okay, so when they asked for solve means we have to find the solution. Here the variable, here the dependent variable is y, so you have to find the solution of y. Okay, so obviously you know y equal to CF plus PA. Okay, so you have to remember these things when you are seeing the problem for the first time. You have to remember all these things when you are seeing the problem for the first time. Okay, now so solution. So first of all we have to find complementary function. For that we need auxiliary equation. So we have to write given d square minus 4d plus 13 of y equal to e power 2x. This is your first step. Okay, this is your first step. The second step is auxiliary equation. If you are not aware of what is AE, if you have not watched a previous video, I shall write it fully. AUXI LIRY auxiliary equation. So for finding auxiliary equation, you have to replace d by m. Put RHS equal to 0. Okay, so the above equation will become this is your first equation. The first equation will become m square minus 4m plus 13 equal to 0. Okay, so you have to get 13 as a product and minus 4 as the sum, so it is not possible to factorize it. So you have to use the formula m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a equal to 1, the coefficient is 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 13. So you will get 4 plus or minus root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 1 into 13 that is 52 divided by 2a, that is 2. Then you will have 4 plus or minus root of minus 36 divided by 2. This is equal to 4 plus or minus root of I shall split it like this, root of 36 into minus 1 divided by 2, because some of you may not aware of this. 4 plus or minus root 36 into root of minus 1 divided by 2. So it can be written as 4 plus or minus root 86 is 6, root of minus 1 is I. See, root of minus 1 equal to I. Root 36 equal to 6. You may aware of this. Some of you may not know. Root of minus 1 can be written as I. This is because of complex numbers. Okay, now 4 plus or minus 6i divided by 2. This implies m equal to, I can take 2 commonly outside, so I will have 2 plus or minus 3i. So I can write it in the structure of alpha and beta. Okay, so m is the root of this equation number 2, that is the auxiliary equation. Okay, so you have to write below, the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. So the complementary function will be what is our complementary function? E power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x, where alpha equal to this 2 and beta equal to 3. Alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to 3. So the complementary function is given by CF equal to e power, what is alpha 2? So e power 2x into a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. So this is our complementary function. Now we have to find the particular integral. Pi. So the Pi can be given as always I told you have to find P of phi by 1 by f of d into x. Am I right? I think you may remember if you clearly watched the previous video. I think you have to know this. So what is function of d here? The function of d is given by this, d square minus 4d plus 13. This is your function of d. So you will have 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 13, 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 13 into x. X means your right hand side. What is your right hand side? Your right hand side is e power 2x. Your right hand side is e power 2x. Okay, you have to find the particular integral by using the formula 1 by f of d into x. Okay, so since this is the main function. So for this type of functions, I have told you, you have to replace d by a. So you will have 1 divided by, what is a in e power ax? See, this x is now e power ax. So what is a here? A equal to 2. A equal to 2. So here you have to write a equal to 2. So d turns to a. Okay. So d turns to a. So you will have 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 13 into e power 2x. This is your pi. So pi equal to 1 by 4. 4 plus 13 is 17. 17 minus 8. 4 2s are 8. So 17 minus 8 is 9. So you will have 1 by 9 into e power 2x. This is your pi. This is your pi and this is your CF. This is your CF. This is your CF. Now you have obtained your solution. So y equal to CF plus pi, that is given by y is equal to e power 2x a cos 3x plus b sin 3x plus 1 by 9 e power 2x. So this is your solution. Okay, I hope you all understood the first problem. In the same way, we can go for another problem where denominator becomes 0, and where we can apply yes, we can apply the some particular way of solving the problem when the denominator becomes 0, because I have told you when denominator becomes 0, that is 1 by f of a tends to 0 means into x. 1 by f of d when d is replaced by a and f of a becomes 0, that is f of a equal to 0 means you have to differentiate the denominator with respect to d and you have to replace it by a, so it becomes 1 by f dash of a, and you have to multiply the numerator by x. So either it may be any function, capital X may be any function, but you have to multiply it by small x. Okay, when denominator becomes 0, you have to differentiate the denominator with respect to d. Okay, and you have to replace it by a and you have to multiply the numerator by x. This is the procedure. If suppose once again your denominator becomes 0 after you replace d by a, again you have to multiply it by x, so it will become x square and it will be, denominator will become the f double dash of a. So that is the concept we are going to apply in the upcoming problem. Okay, the problem here is solve d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus 4y equal to e power minus 2x. So solution, when you are very thorough, you can write directly. Given d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus 4y equal to e power minus 2x. Then it can be replaced by that is d square plus 4d plus 4 into y equal to e power minus 2x. Now you have to write the auxiliary equation is given by m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. You know why I put m and why I put 0, because that is the procedure to find the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary means, in English you might studied auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb means helping verbs. In the same way here auxiliary equation, it is a helping equation. It is helping us to find a complementary function. Okay, so this difference equation is very beautiful. The equation which supports us to find the complementary function is called auxiliary equation, that is helping equation. Okay, and the equation obtained after using the auxiliary equation is called complementary function. Okay, a function, you know, doing something. Complementary function means it is doing something as a complement. Okay, so the mathematicians frame the name very sensitively. Very sensitively they have coined the name for everything. Okay, now m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So you can factorize it if possible. Think whether it is possible. Yes, it is possible. You will have m plus 2 into m plus 2 equal to 0. So on multiplication you will get the product 4, on addition you will get the sum 4. So here m equal to minus 2 repeated twice, which means m1 equal to m2 equal to minus 2. Okay, that is what we have obtained. So for this the complementary function is given by, a x plus b into e power m x, where m equal to minus 2. So the complementary function is ax plus b into e power minus 2x. So this is your complementary function. You have to write very carefully. This is your complementary function. Okay, now pi. So how to find pi? So pi can be found by taking 1 by d square plus 4d plus 4 into e power minus 2x. So this is your pi. Now see, here you will have 1 divided by minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into e power minus 2x. So pi equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 8 plus 4 into e power minus 2x. So here you will get 1 by 0 e power minus 2x. What does it mean? When anything is divided by 0, it is it will become infinity. Okay, am I right? So here it is impossible to find a PI, no? So you can write the ordinary differentiation rule fails. Ordinary rule fails. Rule fails. So if the ordinary rule fails, what you have to do? You have to go to the previous step where you are having D. So you can take the D and differentiate the denominator. So differentiating the denominator, this D square will become 2D. Okay, this 4D will become plus 4. This 4 will become 0. And you have to multiply numerator into x. And you have to write the same e power minus 2x. This is the procedure. So you will have x divided by 2d plus 4 into e power minus 2x. Okay, where this d will be replaced by minus 2. Where this d will be replaced by minus 2. So you will get Pi equal to x divided by 4 into, so 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 into e power minus 2x. That is, again we are getting x divided by 0 e power minus 2x. Okay, so here also what happened? Ordinary differentiation rule fails. So the ordinary rule fails. Ordinary rule fails. So what you have to do? From this you go to the previous D appearing step. So you have to take that step and differentiate the denominator. Suppose if I am having e power minus 3x, and if I substitute here 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2, then you got a solution. There is no need to do differentiation once again. But here unfortunately we once again get a 0 denominator, so we use x square divided by, I have to see, already I am telling very slowly, already I am having x, I have to differentiate this denominator. Differentiation of 2d is 2 plus differentiation of 4 is 0, and I have to multiply the numerator by x, and I have to use the same e power minus 2x in the product. So our new particular integral will be x square divided by 2 into e power minus 2x. So this is our PA. Sometimes we will not get this non-zero denominator at the second time of finding. Even it goes for third time also. Then you will get the x cube divided by the corresponding coefficient of the least power of d that exists after differentiation, and that is existing after replacing d value. Okay, so this is your PI. So we have to find the solution. How to find the solution? The solution is nothing but y equal to CF plus PI. Y equal to CF plus PI. Solution is y equal to CF plus PI. That is y equal to, what is CF? We have obtained the equal roots with m equal to minus 2. So ax plus b e power minus 2x, ax plus b, ax plus b into e power minus 2x plus pi. What is pi? Pi is x square by 2 into x square by 2 into e power minus 2x. Okay, so this is your solution. So I hope you understand the problem very clearly. I would like to give only one more sum as the homework where you can try your best. So the problem is, the homework problem is, take the problem here. This is your homework problem. The problem is solve d square minus 4 into y equal to e power 2x plus e power minus 4x. So I shall give you the hint. Here you have to first write given. Okay. Second, you have to write auxiliary equation. Third, you have to find the complementary function. Fourth is you have to find the particular integral one, that is this. For this you have to find one particular integral, and also for this you have to find a particular integral. The fifth one is you have to find the particular integral 2, that is you have to calculate particular integral for this. Okay, finally you have to write the solution. Finally you have to write the solution, that is y equal to cf plus pi1 plus pi2. I shall give you a hint. What will be your pi1? pi1 equal to 1 divided by I shall write here pi1 equal to 1 divided by what they have, d square minus 4, 1 divided by d square minus 4 into d square minus 4 into e power 2x, and pi2 is 1 by d square minus 4 into e power minus 4x. Okay, so you have to find these two pi's, and your auxiliary equation will be m square minus 4 equal to 0. So what will be your CF equation? You have to find that. Okay, and what will be your pi1, what will be your pi2? You have to find that. So this m square minus 4 can equal to 0 can be written as m plus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0, because a plus b into a minus b only gives a square minus b square. So here a square means m square, b square means 2 square. So m square minus 4 square is m plus 2 into m minus 2. So you get m equal to minus 2 and m equal to 2. So you have to write the roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. So your complementary function will be a e power m1x, that is m1 equal to minus 2, a e power minus 2x plus b e power 2x. Okay, so your solution will be y equal to a e power minus 2x plus b e power 2x, plus you have to find pi1, that will come here pi1, and this pi2 will come here. plus PA2. I shall give you the final result also. I have explained you all the procedure. I have explained you the procedure, and I have given the final answer also. One thing is you have to identify the values of PA1, PA2. Okay, A e power minus 2x plus B e power 2x plus PA1 is x by 4 e power 2x plus 1 by 12 into e power minus 4x. This is your solution. Okay, so you have to solve the problem very correctly. You have to solve the problem very correctly. Okay. PA1, PA2. Okay. So one thing is, when you use this as PA1, you have to check this. Okay, when you use this as PA2, you have to check this. So if you alternate to take this as PA1, your PA1 will be e power minus 4x, and if you take this as PA2, you will get your PA2 will be this. In the same way, you can take the values of m in other way. You can take the values of m in other way. That is, here I have taken m1 equal minus 2 and m2 equal to 2. But you can also take m1 equal to 2 and m2 equal minus 2. That is always your wish. If I take m minus 2 into m plus 2 equal to 0, I will get m1 equal to 2 and m2 equal to minus 2. And my equation will become a e power 2x plus b e power minus 2x. So there is no problem about changing the coefficients of e power minus 2x and e power 2x. A and b can be changed to different position. Okay, so that is not a problem. Okay, I hope you all understood the problem and concept of the second linear differential equation when you are having the right hand side as e power of ax. Okay, e power of ax. So thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all once again.